It's an honor for me to welcome all of you on behalf of the Tibetan Parliament-in-Exile. This distinguished delegation is testament to the bipartisan support for the U.S. Congress for the Tibet cause. Your visit to Dharamsala sent a strong message to the Chinese government.
We believe that whether China is a superpower or not, we want the Chinese leadership to take accountability and responsible. To make the leadership of Chinese leadership responsible is not only in the interest of the world, or for the Tibetans, or for the Uyghurs or the Hong Kongers. It is in the interest of the China itself. So therefore, we are here not against China, we are here for truth. And we are here to make the Chinese leadership more responsible.
And I know Chairman Xi does not believe in democracy. In fact, I've heard from him, democracy doesn't work. Democracy, I can get things done like that. And you can't do that. Democracy is dysfunctional. Well, let me just say this to all of you in this temple of democracy, that Chairman Xi is wrong about that. Chairman Xi is wrong because democracy is the best form of government because it gives power to the people. If all you want is a decision to be made like that, you're giving up your freedom in exchange for a dictatorship. That's why democracy is the best form of government. That's why Chairman Xi is wrong when he says that. And I'm just so proud to be here with my colleagues, and I know they are too, and so proud to be in your temple of democracy, and so proud of the people of Tibet, and having this temple of democracy in exile. And I hope that one day this temple of democracy will be back in Tibet itself. Thank you.
Come in a bipartisan delegation with Chairman McCall to say that in the United States Congress, there is no division between us when it comes to Tibet. There's no division between us when it comes to human rights. There's no division between us when it comes to justice and freedom. There's no division between us because when we stand together, we make tomorrow better. And so I will close my remarks by just saying this. In democracy, it takes tenacity. It takes individuals who have a vision and will never stop until they get the right results.
Mr. McGovern has been our spiritual leader when it comes to Tibet. We went to Tibet together. We saw where His Holiness slept, where he was, in the palace and the rest. And we conveyed our respect for him there with the idea that one day he may someday return, and that is what we would hope. In the meantime, though, the democracy of the diaspora, of the Tibetans in exile is very, very important to us. There isn't a word to describe the thrill it is for us to see His Holiness tomorrow. It's something we have anticipated for a while. We'll savor as we enjoy it tomorrow and then draw strength from it as we go forward. Because his inspiration to the world of peace, of goodness, of peace and goodness, he's the first Nobel laureate, recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize, to talk about the environment, God's creation, people, God's creation, the value of it all. So again, to all of you, thank you for your courage. Thank you for your entrepreneurship and starting a government.